This trader, JJ Simon, claims one candle made him $1.3 million. One line on a chart, the price of a single candle right before the Nasdaq opens. And he claims that's what made him over $1 million in profits from prop firms in 12 months. So I rebuilt his entire method as an indicator and backtested it over 365 days. The results were not what I expected. Let me show you what happened. Here's his method. The idea is that the New York Open creates an unfair move, a flood of institutional volume pushing price away from what he calls the fair price. And the fair price is just the price of the candle right before the open, the pre-open price, before all that institutional volume hits. So the method has two trades. First, a continuation. You trade in the direction of that opening push, then a reversion. Once the unfair move runs out, you trade back to the fair price. That's it. Two trades off one line. He showed a week of his own examples, making it look effortless. So the obvious question is, does it actually hold up over a full year, or is it cherry-picked? That's what we're going to find out. To test it fairly, I built an indicator that marks his exact rules automatically. The orange line is the pre-open price, his fair price. This shaded window is the New York Open, where the unfair move is supposed to happen. When price pushes away with momentum, the indicator marks the continuation, and when that push exhausts and rolls back toward the line, it marks the reversion. What you're looking at now is replay mode on my own charts, so you can see it firing in real conditions. I'll be straight with you. No recreation is ever 100% the same as a discretionary trader's eye. But I went back over the trades he walked through in his own videos, and the indicator fired on the same setups he took, same line, same window, same logic. So now we've got something we can actually test automatically across a full year with no cherry picking. Before the data, you need to know how he actually trades this. Most prop firms have a consistency rule. No single trade can be more than about half your total profit. So you can't pass on one big winner, you need at least two. So JJ turns that into a system. He goes maximum risk and clears the whole target in exactly two trades, two winners, each about half. So it ticks the consistency box and gets him funded the fastest way possible. And if he loses, it's a cheaper val. He moves on. At a 50% win rate, 2 in a row is 1 in 4. So he knows roughly 1 in every 4 evils gets funded, and he just plays the numbers. The moment he is funded, he flips gears, risk comes right down, and he cycles one trade across multiple funded accounts to collect payouts. Aggressive to get funded, conservative to stay funded. He breaks the whole thing down on his channel, and it's genuinely worth a watch. So does the method actually hold up? I ran his rules exactly as he teaches them, fully mechanical, every signal taken. And they were profitable, but modest, about a 1.2 profit factor, a real edge, just not an exciting one. So I went to work on it, testing dozens of combinations of the risk to reward, the filters and the trade management to squeeze more out of the same core method. This is the optimized version on the micro Nasdaq over the last 365 days, a net $48,700 on a 100K account, a 49% return for the year. Profit factor of 1.7, 289 trades. The win rate is 55%, so it wins more often than it loses, and the winners pay better than the losers cost. That is the whole engine. You win more than half the time, and your winners are bigger when you do. And the part that matters most on a prop account, the biggest drawdown across the entire year was $3,600, around 2.5%. And it stayed inside the goated 100K $4,000 limit. I tested this on the micro because that is what you will actually trade on a prop account. And just so you know, the same method ran on the Nasdaq cash, came out even stronger, a profit factor near 1.9. To give you a flavor of what I changed, I made continuations only trade in the direction of the opening candle. I capped it to 1 reversion per session in the first 35 minutes. I took continuations after the first candle, and I nudged the take profit and stop. That is just a few of them. The fully optimized settings come as default in the strategy, ready to trade mechanically on a prop firm account. Every input is open, and you can tweak them and backtest your own ideas with both the strategy and the indicator. Both tools, the indicator and the strategy, are in my WOP store, and the link is in the description. And the honest part, because it matters, this is a historical backtest. Past results and simulated results do not predict the future. None of this is financial advice, and you should test it on your own data before you risk in real funds. So, does JJ's method actually hold up mechanically? Yes. And to be clear, this is my mechanical take on his method, not exactly how he trades it by hand, just as close as I could get it in code. The win rate genuinely beats a coin flip. The winners paid nearly 2 to 1, and tuned up it made nearly $52,000 on a 100K account this year, a 52% return, without ever breaching the prop firm drawdown limit. It's not magic, it's regime dependent, and one good year is never a guarantee. And remember, these settings are optimized for the last 12 months. So the smart move is to load up the indicator first, watch how it actually trades on your own charts, then tweak the settings yourself for different market conditions. It's a real testable system. And go watch JJ's own breakdown. He earned the credit. And one last thing, both tools are a one-off lifetime purchase, no subscription, the indicator and the strategy together for a single price, linked in the description. Like and subscribe if this was useful. More strategies and some free indicators are on the way. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.